Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 22 of chapter 10, section 5. Find the vertices, foci and asymptotes of the hyperbola and sketch its graph. 16x square minus 4y square equal to 64. Now we will bring this equation into standard form of the hyperbola, which is of the form x square over a square minus y square over b square equal to 1. So it is 16x square minus 4y square equal to 64. So if you divide both sides by 64, you get x square over 4 minus y square over 16 equal to 1. So this is the standard form of the hyperbola. And we also know if the coefficient of x square is positive, the branches of the hyperbola will cut the x-axis. If the coefficient of y square was positive, then the branches would cut the y-axis. So in this case, the hyperbola is going to be, the branches of the hyperbola is going to be cutting the x-axis. So obviously, for this one, the center of the hyperbola is the origin. Now we'll find out a square. A square is the denominator of x square, which is 4. B square is denominator of y square, which is 16. So a equal to plus or minus 2, b equal to plus or minus 4. So we have these two. This will give us the vertices. And then we are going to also find out the relation for the foci. In hyperbola, we know that c square equal to a square plus b square. A square is 4, b square is 16. So c square equal to 20, or c equal to plus or minus square root of 20, which is 2 square root of 5, plus or minus 2 square root of 5. So now we can sketch the graph. Root of 5. That is 2 root of 5. 2 times square root of 5. Point. 4 point 4 point something, 4.4. Two square root of 5 0 negative 2 square root of 5 comma 0. So the foci. The asymptotes y equal to 2 over 2x, y equal to 2x plus or minus, right? So look at the graph on the right hand side. The vertices are 2 comma 0, negative 2 comma 0, which are provided by the a values plus or minus 2, and then the center, the vertex and the foci are all on the same axis of the hyperbola. So they all lie on the same line. So vertices are 2 comma 0 and negative 2 comma 0. The foci are at a distance 2 square root of 5. So that is given by the value c equal to 2 root of 5. So it is at a distance 2 square root of 5 from the center. So the foci are placed at 2 root of 5 comma 0, negative 2 root of 5 comma 0. Then you clearly see the branches cut the x-axis only. But when you graph, you have to also take into account of the value b, which is 4 and negative 4, and then you construct the rectangle with the sides, with the points 2 comma 0, negative 2 comma 0, and then complete that rectangle that passing through 4 comma 0, negative 4, 0, 0 comma 4, and then 0 comma negative 4. So by completing that rectangle, then you join the diagonals as a dotted lines, and the diagonals of the rectangle are the asymptotes. Asymptotes are given by the equation y equal to plus or minus b over a x. So y equal to plus or minus, in this case b equal to 2, b equal to 4 and a equal to 2 x. That will give us y equal to plus or minus 2x. So those are the asymptotes of the parabola. Hope this video helps.